Hey guys, you all are welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stylus at home. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start this video. So guys, the materials required are a piece of aluminum foil, cotton, glue, water, sticky tape, pencil and a pair of scissors. Take the pencil first, then the cotton, the water and the glue. Cut a small piece of cotton. Take a drop of water and the glue. Now put this mixture on the pencil. After putting the mixture, stick the cotton on the tip of the pencil. Roll it properly. Of the cotton and roll it properly. As you can see, the tip and the top of the cotton Now take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap the pencil. Make sure that the foil is overlapping the cotton. Now take the sticky tape and cut a piece of it. Stick the tape on the end side of the foil. Stick it properly. Now take a pair of scissors and cut the unnecessary part of the tip. Now just take a tip of water and put it on the cotton. Now your stylus is ready. You can also decorate the stylus from the above of the tip. As you can see, the stylus is working very properly and smoothly. So guys, if you like this video, then please like it, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon beside it to get the instant notification of our channels.